Hi, my name is Linda, and I am here to introduce our new product that we have here at Diffuser World. It is called the Aroma Infinity. We're going to open up the box so you can see what's inside. First, it's in an awesome sturdy box, which is great for shipping. And it's got reminders here on not to tip it, which is very important. So first things first, you're going to have the directions. You want to make sure you don't lose these. That's going to tell you how to run it. Then there's this cardboard piece right here on top. Take that out. Here is the unit, and it'll come with a bag around it. And then also this is what it was held onto, but underneath that, you're going to have your USB plug and your wall plug. So you're going to make sure you don't want to lose those. Then we're just going to take everything out of the plastic. And when you first get the unit, you're going to need to plug it in order to charge it. It does have a battery in it that will charge it, that is rechargeable, but when you get to it, a lot of times, sometimes it'll work, but for the most part, you're going to need to plug it in to charge it. So underneath is where we plug this in, and it's a little hard to see, but right here is actually where the battery is, and then right here is where we're going to plug it in, and it is on the side right there. So you're actually going to plug it in right there, and then it comes out here. And then I'm going to take this end and I'm going to either plug it into my computer USB port, or I'm going to plug it into my wall plug and then plug that into the wall, just for the beginning to get it started, to get it going. Now that we have our Infinity charged, now we can start using it. Usually doesn't take very long to charge, and it'll you'll just push this middle button and the light will come on once it is charged. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the atomizer. So this should come out easily. There's a little notch right here, and there's a notch in here that it lines up. So you just stick it right in there, and then when you're ready to pull it out, you pull it out. It doesn't need to, be pushed in hard. It just rests right in there. So when it comes, you're going to have it with this blue bottle. So you're going to take the blue bottle off, and then I'm going to attach it to my essential oil that I'm using right now, and it should fit any 15 milliliter bottle. So I'm going to screw that on and then put it right there, line the little notch up. In order to turn it on, you push this button right in the middle. The first push turns it on and puts it on high. Then if it's a little too strong and you want to turn it down, you'd push it again, and that'll put it on medium, and then you push it again, that'll be low, and then push it one more time to turn it off. So I'm going to turn it back on, and then as you see, we have on timers and off timers. So the on timer, you can run it anywhere from 5, 10, 30, or 60 seconds. And in order to change those, you just push these buttons, and there's a little light that lights up in blue right over the numbers. So 5, 10, 30, 60, and then you push it again and it goes back to 5. So that's going to run for 5 seconds. And then on the off timer, you have the same options. You can set it to run off for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. So you just depend on how long you want it to rest. So I've got 5, 10, 30, 60, and then I push it one more time and it goes back to 5. So right now we've got it set so that it'll run for 5 seconds and rest for 5 seconds. Then on this other timer over here, we have the on, so if it's on the on, it'll just run continuously. Then if you push it again, it'll run for 30 seconds, so it's going to cycle through my 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off for 30 seconds. If I switch it again, it'll go to 60, sorry, that was 30 minutes. If I push it again, it'll go to 60 minutes. So I have it set right now. It'll run for 60 minutes and then shut off, and it's going to run for 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off, and it'll continue through this cycle for 60 minutes. Our other option is 120 minutes, or we can just turn it right back to on, and then it's just going to continue to cycle through the 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off until it's done. So there's our Aroma Infinity, and that's how you use it. We're super excited for it. It's so versatile. You can take it anywhere with you. Like I said, it runs off of rechargeable batteries, USB, or you can plug it into the wall. So come and check it out. It's at www.diffuserworld.com, or you can call us 855-276-6277 and we can answer any questions that you have. Thank you and have a great day.